Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilateral. And in this video we'll learn about simple curves. First we have to understand what is plane surface or plane. Simply, the paper is a model for a plane surface or any smooth wall is said to be a plane. Here I draw a figure of plane surface. You can see it is a smooth. It is a model of plane surface. Okay, next, plane curve. When we join a number of points without lifting a pencil from the paper, we get a plane curve. Here, these are the pictures of some curves, different types of curves. Some are made by curved line, some curves are made by straight lines, some of the figures are made by mix of curved line and a straight line. Okay, now we understand how many types of curves. Our first type is simple curve. A curve that changes direction but it does not intersect itself, then this type of curve is simple curve. A simple curve may be open or may be closed. Here in the first figure, it is the open simple curve. Suppose this is my starting point and this is my ending point. But when we change this direction and these points are not intersect to each other, then it is an open simple curve. Similarly, in this figure, this is suppose my starting point and suppose this is my ending point. And when we change its direction and these points are not intersect to each other, then it is a closed simple curve. Our next type is non-simple curve. The non-simple curve is a type of curve that crosses its paths. Means it intersects itself while it changes its direction. Okay? And this is a figure of not simple closed curve. Okay. Next, open curve. A curve has two endpoints and when it does not enclose an area within itself, it is known as open curve. Okay, so it means if the curve's starting point and ending points are not meet each other, then it is an open curve. For example, this figure open curves with made by curves line, and this figure shows open curve with straight line. Open curves are also made by the combination of curves line and a straight line. Our next type is closed curve. A curve that has no end point and when it encloses a region or area will form, it is known as the closed curve. And this type of curves are formed by joining the two endpoints of open curve, and circle is the example of this type of curve. Now, here also I put lots of example of closed curve. Okay. Next we understand, in this figure you can see lots of types of closed curve, and some of the closed curves are simple closed curve and some of the curves are not simple curves. Next, curves around us or examples from real life. So this is the example of roller coaster. It is also a type of curve. This road is an example of curve. Racetrack is also the example of curves type figure. Okay. So on the basis of this concept, you have to solve exercise 3.1, question number 1. Thank you so much.